Hello, this is Mark from Phace Installations and welcome to another video. We have this very beautiful white Mazda MX5 in. This is going to have the upgraded stereo, so we've got the TomTom system in here currently. So let's just jump in and show you what's in here now. So if you've got this stereo in your vehicle or very similar that's factory fitted from Mazda, we can upgrade it to give you more modern features. So this customer come to us because they wanted Bluetooth hands-free. They also wanted Apple CarPlay, not interested in about CDs. And that's very out-of-date mapping. So if you have Apple CarPlay now, you're always going to have up-to-date mapping, either via Google Maps or Apple Maps, Waze. This doesn't even have DAB. And the customer wanted DAB as well, so we're going to give him DAB and Apple CarPlay, and lose all those clunky, ugly looking buttons that are on the left and the right hand side. Just have a touch panel. Looks really neat and tidy. We'll link it to the steering wheel control still, so there'll be no functions lost, but just make it look a lot neater. Okay, welcome back. It's all installed. Let's show you around. So if we get into the driver's side, straight away, look at that. Just absolutely beautiful touch panel. This is the Pioneer 250 DAB. And if I had the keys, I might be able to show you it working. So let's just go and grab the keys. So let's start this up. So no ugly buttons on the left or the right hand side like there was on the old original stereo, just a touch panel now. It looks really neat and tidy. Straight away there, that's the FM radio. And you can store your favourite stations down the left hand side, 1 to 6. If you press the arrow, it will show what stations are there. Very straightforward. And as I said, we've linked it to the steering wheel controls. Now, due to copyright from YouTube, we can't have any music playing or any radio, so we've had to cut all the sound. And then you've still got your mode button to skip through different functions on the stereo, go up and down through different radio stations or tracks if you're playing music, and you've still got your mute button there if you so wish. And then if you press those 3 lines, it will show you all the DAB stations it can find. Press the relevant one, and then you can override whatever's here by holding down the number, and you get your favorite station stored. Very, very easy. So restore radio 2 in number 2. Simple. So very easy to come back to if you ever want to store another station or change to a different station. The Pioneer is a very simple to use stereo, but with modern functions. So that's normal radio there, so that's FM or MW if you're into all that. And again, you can have your own set of stations stored there if DAB lets you down. Plus, we've added this 3D printed in-house designed USB socket. So now you can plug in, there was no USB socket there before, so we've now created that, plugged that in, and then when you plug that into your iPhone or Android phone, then you'll get new functions. So with Apple, you get Apple CarPlay, and Android is Android Auto. So when we plug the phone in, plus it'll also charge, you've now got Apple CarPlay, so you can make all your phone calls, play all your music, all the sat nav. Just makes usability so much better, and always up-to-date maps. So I use Amazon Music, so I can play all my favorite music here. And again, because it's from my phone, it'll have all my favorite music. Whatever's on my phone will be on this screen. Same with the settings. If you've stored your home or your work in your sat nav, it'll bring that up. As you can see, very, very easy to use. Hope you like what we do. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to book your vehicle in, give us a call. Thanks and have a great day.